In this video, I'll show you how to solve if your Insignia TV has those vertical lines on the screen. I'll show you many different solutions that doesn't require you to open your TV. So let's get started with the easiest of them. Alright, so the first solution is to unplug your TV from the wall socket. What you need to do is to turn it off, unplug it, and then find the power button of your Insignia TV and keep it pressed during 30 seconds and don't let it go. Sometimes that power button is on the side of the TV. Then when the time has elapsed, plug it back into a wall socket. Don't plug it into a power strip because sometimes this is the problem that is causing this issue. Now if this didn't work, the second solution is to go on the back of your Insignia TV, find the HDMI port, find the HDMI cable, unplug it, try to use a new HDMI cable because sometimes this is the problem, and then plug it back into another HDMI port. So this was connected in port number 2, and now I will connect it in port number 3. If the lines didn't disappear simply by doing this, you can also keep pressed with your finger on the HDMI port. So to do this, simply take your thumb and keep pressed many times on that port. Apply some pressure. Sometimes things get disconnected. Do this many times, then plug back the cable and push it very well inside. Apply again some pressure. Another trick is to tap on the back of your Insignia TV. First thing, take a rag, a clean cloth, and apply it on the screen itself. Don't push it, just hold the TV there. With your other hand on the back of your TV, you're gonna give some very firm and rapid taps like this, everywhere. On the back here, on upper side, every single part of that back of the TV needs to be tapped. Again, some stuff get disconnected, and by doing this, we reconnect them. Make sure that you hold the TV firmly so it doesn't fall on the ground. Now you can also factory reset your TV if you're still having that issue. And I have put on the screen here 2 different ways depending on what Insignia TV model you have. 2 different ways to factory reset your TV. Obviously this will delete every apps, everything, but it's another solution that can help you fix these lines. If you have another trick that I didn't talk about, please write it in the comments down below. Somebody will be very grateful to find it. If not, just please leave a like, comment in the comment section, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.